Rounding to nearest tens. We use rounding when we want to estimate. Rounding gives us the numbers which are 10, 20, 30 and so on. Rounded numbers help us to solve everyday problems which we don't need an exact answer. That's called estimate. Rounding might look hard, but hey, guess what? If you know how to put the numbers in order and skip the count by 10, you learn to round any numbers to nearest tens with this. Here are some useful things to know. You can show any numbers on number line. Numbers to the right have greater value than the numbers to the left. Every number that ends in a digit through 1 to 9 sits between two tens. The nearest tens on the either side of the number has an useful benchmark. The midpoint is the number which is halfway between the benchmarks. If the number you want to round is less than midpoint, then you round down. If the number is at the midpoint or more than that, round up. You can round any numbers in 4 easy steps. Let's see how. Let's round 27 to nearest tens. Step 1. Figure out which benchmark to use and between which two numbers 27 belongs. 20 is a lower benchmark and 30 is the higher benchmark. Step 2. Find the midpoint between your benchmark, that is, number which is exactly in the middle. The midpoint between 20 and 30 is 25. Step 3. Now locate 27 on number line. You can see 27 is more than 25. So now you are ready to step 4. Step 4. You can see 27 is closer to 30. So now your answer is 30. Sometimes nearest tens is 0. Let's round 4 to nearest tens. The benchmarks are 0 and 10. The midpoint is less than 5. So 4 rounds down to 0. And sometimes nearest number is 100. Look at 96. The benchmarks are 90 and 100. The midpoint is 95. 96 is greater than 95. So nearest tens 96 rounds up to 100.